Today we are running events here at the National Museum Cardiff.
We've got everything set up ready for performance in the gallery and then the come and sing this afternoon. So we're just excited and yeah, ready to start.
He took out his last grenade and hurled himself into the field of death. Alan is striking. All these people risking their lives to save their country.
I've been working with the Youth Forum on Battle of Mametz Wood, and they've been learning about how we've been developing the exhibition Wars Hell, the Battle of Mametz Wood in art. And it's culminated now in this Come and Sing event, but it's also showcasing work that Literature Wales students have done.
So today we have brought our participants from our Engage programme. So they are young people aged between 10 to 16, and they have been working on the Christopher Williams painting that is part of the National Museum's exhibition. Over the last 6 months they have been writing poems and then turning those into pieces of music. Some of those pieces of music got performed today by two of our opera singers, David Wynne-Evans, baritone, and Zoe Milton-Brown, soprano, Stephen Critchlow, violin from the WNO Orchestra, and the composer and pianist Helen Woods.
I'm a member of the Welsh National Opera Orchestra. We have a great youth and community department. They invited me to participate in the project and I came along, I said yes, and that was it.
People respond so amazingly because people love singing, and it was familiar work, but on a different level. They could see how things slotted together and you think, oh, that's rather clever.
The performance upstairs went really very well. The young poets read their poems in between the music, and that went as though we'd rehearsed it, so that was beautifully done.
The exhibition commemorates 100 years since the battle, which happened in July 1916, so it's very important in Welsh culture really, because 4,000 soldiers died, were injured or were lost in the battle, and obviously it connects to a lot of families in Wales, so it was important that we put an exhibition on, and Youth Forum are obviously filming it.
It went really good. We had to video people with these and video what was happening.
How long have you guys been practicing for?
Well, over the last half term we did a week, well basically the whole half term we did a WNO, Welsh National Opera, In Parenthesis practice, and we made a show based on it.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
And now we're just about to start a public Come and Sing.
For Come and Sing there was lots of loud singing, so it couldn't have gone better, I don't think. Really pleased.
Yeah, it was great to be involved in this event. If anything called community spirit, that would be this. It was just, wow, listen to everyone sing and enjoying themselves, especially near the end.
Yeah, it was a very inclusive event, and I think that that's very important when it comes to museums and the community around them, is that it includes everyone, no matter the age or whatever interests. It brought everyone together to remember a very important event.
At the heart of this Come and Sing will be Sosban Fach, the Welsh folk song. Sosban Fach is a Welsh folk song that is referenced within In Parenthesis and is the opening of Act 2. It was sung by the Welsh soldiers in the trenches, but is now known more as a rugby song.
I think it went really well. It's always such a pleasure to see and hear so many people joining in with singing and singing so enthusiastically. It's fantastic to get the chance to kind of reach out to the community and to take music out and hear the way it can inspire people and engage them in the community. So it's lovely for us to do.
Thank you.